Okay guys, so we got Darcy in the chair today and we're gonna do something special and something different. I'm gonna show you guys in about 20 minutes how we could take this and really transform the hair. If we look at Darcy's hair currently, it's quite straight and flat. Just from the use of this tool right here, I'm gonna show you guys how we could bring this to life and why we're gonna do this and how we're gonna do this is very simply by adding a lot of texture. The reason behind this, guys, is also because the hair is quite straight, and because it's overgrown, we're seeing this kind of flat effect and it's not looking suitable and appealing to Darcy. So right now, what he mentioned was, listen, dude, I like what I currently have. I just need it to look more alive. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a lot more texture and we're gonna bring this haircut to life. Stay tuned. Just take this section, we're going to divide this panel with everything from the top, and we're just going to divide this top panel as well. Okay, reason for this is we want to separate the top with the sides and the back with the sides as well. Okay, we're going to take all this, we're going to bring it forward, and we're going to clip it away. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this other panel here. Okay, first step, guys, we're going to take a nice vertical section from slightly towards the left, okay, slightly towards the right, and then what we're going to do, we're gonna use our feather to really bring out this texture. So guys, we're gonna go in, okay, I'm gonna pull this up, I'm gonna show you again, I'm gonna roll in, okay. What we want is almost this, you see how the position of the comb is, right? We want this position to follow all the way through because it's gonna allow us to really see the roots, but also allow us to really have a clean textured line when we come from the top. So again, you see position of the comb comes all the way in. We almost have it exactly parallel to the head. We lift off and we're gonna go with a round cutting line leading up to the bottom. Come from the bottom again. Okay, same position, touching the head, pulling out. Boom, guidelines in here. We could separate that, we see it. And there you have it. Nice textured round cutting line. Perfect. Good, guys? Okay, now we take this left panel, we separate it, and we're gonna follow this all the way through. All the way through. Okay, we're gonna pinch it. Come back from the top. Okay, look at this. From the bottom, lift off. Boom, see the guide? Look at that. Pull a little bit and make that incision. Bring the neck slightly down. Separate the left panel again and follow this all the way through. Poop, poop, poop. Okay, come back from here, pinch, grab, boom, lift off. Okay, we bring the neck down and we follow this process all the way to the bottom. Okay, separate the left panel and continue. So look, guys, position of the comb comes in, okay, and we want to make sure, because we're around cutting line, we're completely parallel. That's why my chest is completely parallel to the head. Okay, we want to lift off. Okay, we're gonna bring slightly towards me. Okay, see comb comes in, making sure we're following the head shape all the way through, lift off, boom, guidelines in here. How do I know this? Because as I pull out, boom, you see, the rest of the lengths are coming out, and then we're gonna just come in and follow that all the way through. Okay, position of the head goes down. Again, we're gonna make sure we're doing the same exact process all the way towards the bottom. There you guys have it. This process is gonna follow all the way through. This time we're gonna go diagonally, and we're just gonna do the same exact process. See, Darcy showed me this picture of someone that had literally the same exact hair, but just with a lot more texture. And I asked him, I'm like, I'm guessing you're wanting this haircut because you like your length, you're just missing texture. He said, absolutely, that's exactly what I'm looking for. So we're gonna give him exactly what he wants. All right, guidelines in here. And last but not least, use some elevation. And here we go. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so keep most of the length, add all this texture, and then at the end we could just refine some more just to bring out a little bit more of that texture. Beautiful. So now that we've done this side, look at the difference from this left side. It's very flat, lack of movement. And guys, this is why sometimes when we look at long hair, we're always thinking, oh, maybe it's gonna take me longer to do. Not necessarily if you have a game plan. In this case, all we wanted to do is add texture. And look at the difference. You have all this beautiful texture while still maintaining the length. And the reason why we wanted to do this very simply because the hair is very thick and very straight, and it was sitting very flat. Okay, look at the difference. Beautiful. Cool, let's move on. From the top, all the way to the bottom. Okay, keep moving on, keep moving on. Okay, same process. See, easy. With this system, we're going round horizontally. That means as we come from the top, boom, guidelines in there, and make that incision. Follow this process all the way. Okay, look at the difference, guys. Okay, we come, split that, look at that. All the way from the top, okay. Comb comes in, pull out, there we go. Guideline, and then come from the top. Okay, this point, come back from the bottom, and lift off. Okay, let's see. We drop. And look at that, oh, that beautiful texture. Perfect. Keep going. Okay, guys, so at this point, we've added the texture. Okay, you can notice it. We have all this beautiful texture now. What we're missing is our layer. Okay, so at this point, again, this process is quite simple. We pretty much took about 10 minutes to do both sides. And look at the difference when we look at the face. Okay, I'm gonna brush this down. Look at the difference, right? You could just really see some volume, some pop to it, just because we just removed the weight, okay? Looks a lot more lived in, okay? At this point, we're gonna keep all the lengths in the front, but very similar process to how we did our layer from the sides and back. We're gonna do the same thing from the top. So we're gonna bring the head forward, and from the middle profile, we're gonna come all the way down. Separate this left panel. And separate this right panel. know. Okay. And look at this, guys. The process remains the same. Position of the head comes down. We lift from the bottom. Look at that. Okay, again, we want to make sure we're coming from the roots. And we're going to come all the way to the front. Bring the head down a little bit more. Great. So guys, at this point, we're going to use the same exact process similar to the sides. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring the head slightly down. Okay, again, similar position. I want my chest to be parallel to the area of the head I'm at. And reason why is because we're going with a round cutting line. Look at this, okay? Comb comes in, straight off the base. Boom, look at that. Guidelines right in there. And we go and we cut this. Comb comes in again. Okay, straight off the base. Lift. Guidelines in there, beautiful. Cut. And last but not least, comb comes in, last section, guys. Look at that. Parallel. Lift off. And here we go. There we go. So we keep some of that length from the external because Darcy wanted to keep it, but internally, we've just added beautiful texture. Come on, Darcy. Come on, bruh. Looking fresh, my guy. So another thing that you're probably wondering, well, Alex, my client's head position might hurt. Technically it won't. If it does, very simply, Darcy, bring your shoulder up, come out from the chair a little bit. Yeah, there we go. See, is this a little bit more comfortable? Yeah. It is, right? There you go. Something that you guys have to consider is that you guys are cutting hair for 12 hours straight. He's technically sitting here for an hour at most, right? So the last thing you would want to do, I've seen this happen way too many times with barbers doing beards, is you guys overcompensate your back for the client, but you don't realize you got to be doing this for 12 hours. So example, in this case, if I was to do this, maybe for the first hour I'm okay, but if I have a list of clients I got to cut, guys, eventually you will break apart. You are a human being. So just understand the mechanics of you being the most comfortable as possible. And guess what? If you're not comfortable doing it, you're most likely going to do it also wrong, okay? So very, very important for you guys to understand that. Lift this up. Okay, we still got to refine a little bit of the front, and very simply how we're going to do this, we see this lift, we see the texture. He wants to keep most of it, but we're just gonna strengthen some of the fringe. So very simply, we're gonna come from here, and we're just gonna take it slightly shorter. Okay, reason why is because we wanna strengthen the line, so this looks a little bit more filled in, looks slightly stronger. And this is the process, guys, where it's gonna be slightly more visual. This is my favorite part of the haircut. It looks visual, a little bit more creative. And all we want to do is just strengthen the line to allow for a stronger line where we don't have to see through the hairline, okay? At this point, we're gonna fully blow dry it, and we're gonna use our hands so we can keep it very, very natural. And the last part is personalizing it. Okay, very simply, guys, speed level 3, heat level 2, and we're just gonna use our hands. Beautiful. beautiful. Look at that. 20-minute haircut. You see all that texture. You see it come to life. And guys, we did that in a salon efficient way. A lot of people get freaked out when it comes to haircuts in the salon when long hair client comes in because they think it's going to take an hour. Guys, we did this in 20 minutes and look at the difference. What a massive difference it's done to the hair, to the shape. And the best part is that it's done without any product as well. This is very, very natural. We're going to apply a little bit more product and really make this come out. But this is why I love these types of haircuts and the style. We're working with the client, not against the client, right? We're working with the hair, not against the hair. We're gonna apply a little bit more product, bit of paste, bit of grit. Oh man, this is beautiful. Lift up. See, look at that. Beautiful texture, beautiful length, exactly what you asked for, but just done in a very tasteful and suitable way. Guys, there you guys have it. That is the 2025 20-minute salon-friendly textured haircut. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next one.